So you may already know that we're doing some construction at the Cosmosphere right now. And we have some really cool artifacts that are off display right now that will go back on display once construction is done. Hey, Shannon.
What?
So what you working on?
Yesterday's news. I am working on Buzz Aldrin's letter jacket.
This one right here?
It is that one right there.
This one used to be on display right next to our Gemini capsule.
So one of the other cool things about redoing this space is that even though we have artifacts that have temporarily come off of display, this is an excellent time to make sure that their mounts are of our highest standards of preservation quality, and make sure we're displaying them to the best of our abilities so that they last for many, many, many years after you and I, Chuck, are long gone after a long, long life. We're just making sure this is on a museum quality mannequin, a museum quality stand, Buzz Aldrin, that it's not stressing out the fabric in any place up here. Now, of course, the delicate balance of trying to preserve an artifact while still allowing the public to see it, right? This one looks fantastic and is ready to go.
You said this belonged to Buzz Aldrin, right?
This belonged to Buzz Aldrin. It is from Westpoint when he graduated in 1951. A young Buzz Aldrin wore this.
A young Buzz Aldrin?
A young Buzz Aldrin.
Which
wore
one?
This.
That was a dumb joke.
They're not going to let us do this anymore.
So where is this going to be on display once construction's done?
This will go in our new moonshot gallery.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy, yes. One thing we said when we started talking about interpreting Apollo a little bit differently, I think we might have talked about this before, that we feel like Apollo 11 didn't get enough representation. So this will help provide something tangible to be part of that story. We'll also put the moon rock over there.
Yeah.
And we have some Neil Armstrong stuff that will go over there too.
So the museum is going to be 100% walkable sometime this summer, but we also have most of the big artifacts still on display. And construction will be done by the end of this year, is what we're hoping.